This morning, a great city woke up to a new day.
Millions of people crowded its streets, businesses, theaters, restaurants, and stadiums.
And one simple phrase was repeated over and over again.
I love New York.
I love New York.
I love New York.
I love New York. I love New York. We love New York.
Now, more than ever.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York City Police Department and the United States government. We have received reports that an incident in Lower Manhattan, at approximately 8:46 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a plane has crashed into the World Trade Center. This is a serious situation, and emergency services are now responding to the incident. We urge all residents in the public safety to avoid Lower Manhattan, especially the World Trade Center area. Stay tuned for more information on this situation.